Cheetah Chase is coming along great. We are finishing up the first phase of construction, which consists of the footers and columns. Today was a pretty exciting day as we sat a few pieces of fiberglass. These first few pieces were pretty important due to they keep the ride path straight from the station across the Bahari River to the island. In the beginning, Cheetah Chase showed up just a bunch of fiberglass pieces. As you can see in the video, all the pieces that are sitting around may look like one big jigsaw puzzle. Once they all arrive, we start assembling them going by the blueprints. Once they are assembled and positioned correctly, we take them out to the site, and they get hoisted into place by a crane, and we make sure they're still positioned correctly on the track plan. And then if they land on a yoke, we do weld them to the yokes. That keeps them stabilized. The next phase is to keep going with the fiberglass and to start on the station.